Bud.
Jason.
Bud.
Jason.
Bud.
Jason.
Tell us, Bud.
Jason.
What do you think about Barack Obama in office? Tell us. Tell us what you really think. How do you feel? How do you feel about the oil spill in the Gulf? Tell us.
Pretty distraught. He doesn't want to
Tell
the
us.
camera.
Really? You feel that bad about it? Tell us. How do you feel about the fact that the war is still raging overseas? Really? Is that how you really feel? How do you feel about Jesus? No comment? You don't care about any of these things? How do you feel about cheese? Does cheese make you happy? Is this making you happier than Jesus, Barack Obama, or the fact that the oil spill is taken care of? He loves cheese.